What's up YouTube, it's Rachel here back again with another video. If you don't know, my name is Rachel and I'm the owner of Lee's Cosmetics, a five-figure lip gloss business. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a day in a life of an entrepreneur. So first of all, I'm about to take out my hair because I'm gonna rock my natural hairstyle. Last night I gave myself some new piercings on my ears. I fell asleep with them and they hurt like a so yeah, but I'm gonna fast forward this and I'm gonna give y'all some content to watch because I know y'all bored. Alright y'all, so I just got home and I went to my group for the day, which is like where I go just to like have fun, I guess, and they just give me stuff and stuff. So that's just the group. So if you ever hear about me talk about it in another video, that's the group. But I just came back home and I want to show y'all what I got from the group. I got a tie-dye t-shirt. Yeah, so it says Rayleigh on it. That's my nickname I gave myself. But I'm about to put it on right now. And then I'm gonna have to make some content for my business. So this is how it looks on me. Yeah, so this is how it looks on me. I think it looks really cute. It says Rayleigh and he designed it really well. Like, don't play with it. I got it in a size large because I wanted to wear it at home. I have a lot of gas right now. But anyways, first of all, look at my office space. And then look at my sleeping area. And I have to wash my clothes very soon. But as y'all can see, it looks completely a mess. So I'm going to have to clean up before I start to make more content for my business. This morning I already made 2 videos for TikTok. I have to go ahead on Instagram and, you know, fix my name, because, you know, I rebranded my business to Lee's Cosmetics. And then I have to upload some videos to Instagram. And yeah. So y'all, I be on YouTube and I be seeing people do this $750 Shein link or Cash App link. At first it was Shein and then it was Cash App. So I keep seeing the Cash App one. So I'm on my iPad right now. I'm about to do the $750 Cash App link. And let's see if this works. Like, let me try to be like an influencer right now. So they be like, first you gotta put in your email. So just put in your email. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Look at this. So then next, what you're gonna have to do is the offers. So just answer, you know, just answer all of it. Yeah. Ooh, they be like, ooh, don't play with it. Oh my gosh, yes. So now it's the deals. We gotta complete the deals. Let me tell you how this is a scam. So it says complete, hold on. Complete 20 deals total or see reward option. So we're going to go on reward option. It says you can complete any of the deals shown that interest you, but in order to qualify for $750 to your Cash App account, you must complete 20 deals from 5 levels. For example, to claim a $5 reward, complete a deal from 1 and 1 deal from 2 and 2 total of 2 deals. See below. Yeah. So as y'all can see, as I see other influencers do it, they only complete 1 deal and then all of a sudden they get $750 to their Cash App. So honestly, I think this is a scam. I think this is just for influencers. They only get the $750 to promote this, and the people who ever made this right here is paying them $750 for it. But this must be a scam. Y'all, it's finally time for me to start working. It's 7 p.m. and I already took some pictures of some of the products that I'm selling. So right now what I'm selling is not for my business, it's for my side hustle business, which is a reselling business. So I just like find stuff to resell. So okay, so like right here I just took a picture of this Nike book bag that I had since 9th grade, and I really didn't like the bag. I feel like it was for like men, so I really didn't like the bag. And then I'm about to start taking pictures of the rest of the products I have here. So I have this next bag. I gotta find the product on Google, so I have to take a picture of it and find it on Google. So when I list it, it looks decent. And I have like a whole bunch of other stuff here that I'm about to take pictures of. So I'm about to put y'all in fast motion again so y'all can see me work like a bad. Okay, so yeah, with bags like this or anything that can't stand on its own, I put it on top of this pin that I have here so that I could take a decent picture of it and it won't be hard to find on Google. So, yeah. Alright y'all, so y'all saw the bag that I just had. I found it on Google like this right here. I found it, so I'm gonna upload it to where I'm reselling at, and it looks decent. The picture looks decent, so at least it's just not like how much I priced it for. It wouldn't be a problem because the picture looks decent. Like this right here, people will really buy this. Like, and like, do you see what it is? It's literally a shirt from the hospital. My mom works at the hospital, so she gave me them, so I'm just gonna sell it. But when I search it up on Google, it's giving me Happy Meals. Like, what the freak? I'm gonna have to open a pack to see if they have pictures of it on Google. Hopefully they do. I'm gonna be really pissed if they don't. Ooh, it's a long sleeve shirt. I didn't know it was a long sleeve shirt. Yeah, I don't think they have pictures of this on Google, so I have so much things that I'm gonna sell. I also have 2 wigs here, not even 2, 3 wigs here that I'm gonna sell. So I'm gonna have to find the pictures of those. I'm gonna find it, cause yeah, 2 of these wigs I just bought like 2 weeks ago, so the pictures is not gonna be hard to find for those. Yeah, I just use that first picture. 28-inch wig. Alright, there are all my wigs already, so now I have to go ahead and list some clothes I have here. This dashiki that my mom had bought for some Indian party, and she said it didn't fit her, so she just gave it to me. I also have some white uniforms. Anybody who needs uniforms? I don't know, I have a lot. So I'm gonna separate the uniforms and these t-shirts. Then I have a sweater to the shirt that I had. Showed y'all in the beginning, the nursing sweater, shirt. And then after I take a picture of these, I'm gonna be done. And probably tomorrow I'm gonna take a picture of the rest of the clothes that I have, because the rest of those clothes are clothes that my mom had given me that she didn't want anymore, that was personally her going out clothes and stuff, which is like a little bit fancy and stuff, so like the older people on this reselling app could buy it, because I'm not wearing that shit.